just trying to hit that sub button to smash that notification, bro. Man, fuck that shit. Yo, okay. So I'm like, yo, I might as well do some scary shit, bro. So I'm like, I'm gonna get this shit all dark and shit. And we're gonna try to do some scary shit, man. I'm trying to look for some scary shit. A guy gave me this idea on my Bruh, I'm scared to look pussy on camera. And the thing is, I'm putting my shit right here, so I'm kind of like facing. Because before I used to be like this, you feel me? I want to be in a way where you guys can see my full reaction, like no cat type shit. You feel me? So, how am I gonna do this though? I'm gonna make this start out. Sorry, I should have thought about this prior. Holy, look how black I am. See? Look all the racist niggas in this comment section. Go crazy. That nigga so. This too much? Too bright? You guys still see me? I don't know if you guys can even see me on the camera. I feel like you guys can't. Alright, fuck. I should have tested this out. I think I'm good enough. I think it's still clear. Alright, man. Okay, we're gonna do doorbell ones and then we're just gonna do like 10 scary ones. I just wanna take my time, you know what I mean? I'm not even trying to be on some demonic shit tonight. I can't do it, man. Fuck it. Let's get this done, bro. Okay, the 5 scariest thing caught on the doorbell camera. This part might not be that scary though. But he has some other ones I see about the
5 scariest
pictures?
things caught on doorbell cameras.
I said, fuck that.
Cry for help. This video was posted by Reddit user Unknown Truth. He says that his friend's wife had a very odd experience.
Nah, see, I don't want to hear this. It's already chill.
Laundry. The incident was caught on their Ring doorbell camera.
What?
The woman hears some strange noise, and it's not coming from the Ring camera speaker. In fact, the eerie moaning seems to be coming right out of the bare wall beside her. Now, I boosted the audio on this clip, and, well, just take a listen.
Nah, see, I got one in my ears, bro. Did someone follow someone on the next door and probably got hurt? Already I'm getting scared, bro. Already I'm pussy. Already I'm pussy.
The woman is so freaked out that she actually goes inside and calls the police.
I looked around, I didn't see anybody out on the road or any cars or anything. So I went back to my Ring video to make sure I wasn't just creatively hearing something.
I can hear somebody saying something, but I can't.
Well, I posted it on there.
The police search the premises, but there's no one there.
What?
So just what is this strange disembodied voice that seems to
What kind of dumpiness is really going in, bro? What? Nah, see, I'm not putting these headphones back in, fam. I'm already shaking, bro.
Let me know what you think down in the comments.
Y'all niggas can listen. I ain't listening.
No treat. The thought of Halloween sparks images of happy children dressed in costumes rushing from door to door to collect as much candy as they can.
I'm pussy. I got one ear in.
Didn't take place
Look at
on
me.
Halloween.
Alright, fuck it,
In the
fuck
middle
it.
of a sweltering summer
Fuck
day in
it.
August.
For me, this is for you niggas. This is for you niggas. The fuck? Is this broad daylight? That's a grown ass man.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Smell my feet. I keep this back. Falling from the sun off. It's a sea life. Lucky truck.
What the fuck? This nigga's possessed, man. This nigga's off the bath salts.
The bizarre masked man.
This nigga's off bath salts, fam.
Then he seems to get distracted by his own feet. And then he just seems to wander off in a confused state.
He's a knife or something in that bag,
And
bro.
had been having some special treats of his own.
Nah, the man's off the bad salts, fam. Off the bad salts.
On a warm, sunny day in May, Gerald Haywood was visiting a friend's home in Lawton, Oklahoma. Now, in accordance with YouTube's family-friendly content guidelines, let me say in advance that no one was seriously hurt in this clip.
Okay, YouTube, you hear that?
Later.
YouTube YouTube be striking people and shit for the dumbest stuff. Like, YouTube, chill out. If this video is being posted, why am I being striked? I'm just reacting to it, man. I want to see it. I just want to see it, bro. This nigga's kicking us knowledge of the shit. God damn, YouTube. You guys be always like up niggas' asses, bro. No, just chill out a little bit. Just chill out. We want to be on here. You know what I mean? Alright, let's get into the video. I'm scared of shit. That's what I was talking about. Let me see time. Low key. Oh.
Kurt, take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital. Get that snake. Get that snake.
Oh, it's a snake.
At your mailbox. Right there. No, I'm not.
Turns out that there's a 6-foot-long snake wrapped around the porch light. When Gerald opens the door, the snake strikes just above his right eye.
Oh, and his friend doesn't even believe him.
The snake is not venomous, and the bite above
thank
his
God.
eye isn't deep. Gerald was rushed to the hospital, but didn't require anything more than a couple of band-aids and some light antibiotics. And I have to admit, the first time I watched this video, I thought it was horrific. And the second time, I thought it was hilarious.
You guys laughing. You guys are assholes. You guys are assholes. It's hilarious because of the reaction. Cause now you know it's not serious. No, this is right. Huh? Where? Where, box? You bullshit. That's what makes it funny. Nah, see, I'm not about this, man.
Ghost on his Ring doorbell camera.
Oh, YouTube is fake. It's fake,
He got
fam.
an alert that his camera had sensed motion. When he first reviewed the tape, he just noticed this, which just appears to be a spider web moving in the
Okay, I looked, fam. It was nothing still, fam. Yo, fam, I can't watch shit like this by myself, fam. I need my baby or something, man. I can't. I'm not lying to you. I can't look at it, fam. Nah, see, I'm getting chills. I can't.
Almost
I don't.
as if some shapeless white face is pressed to the window.
Oh man.
Closer look inside.
Nah, see, I can't. I don't want that image in my head, fam. I don't care what you guys say about me in the comment section. I don't want that image in my head, fam.
It didn't turn back on.
I don't care what it is.
For the rest of the night.
I don't care what it is, fam. I don't care what it is,
Ghost in the
fam.
window.
Nah, I don't care what it is,
Just a
fam.
trick of the light.
It's just some late
In
shit.
another alleged ghost Ring video, YouTuber Vengeance Gaming posted a video saying that he thought his Ring doorbell had picked up a ghost.
Nah, see, the music's fucking with me. Oh yeah, I see it. Oh fuck? Look, we just a person. Nah, you see? I can't. Why I even think to do some shit like this, bro? It's nothing, but you see, I don't like the thought. I know, you just feel like it's nothing. Nothing happened. Nothing's popping up. Yeah, if it was popping up, dude, I would punch my screen, fam. I would have punched my screen if it was popping. Nah, I want to skip
We
this,
see what looks
bro.
like a woman dressed all in white who seems to walk out of the darkness from somewhere near the house. And then she just sort of walks off into the dark. Vengeance Gaming, who by the way has never posted another paranormal video on his channel, suggests that it could be, quote, the lady in white. But
Yeah, she's a lady next
could
door,
also
something probably
simply
walking.
just be a prank. You
Or that
decide.
too. Yeah, he's a YouTuber.
One night. Late one night, an older woman named Kathleen hears something outside her Bristol, Connecticut home. Cautious about opening the door to a stranger, she looks outside and sees someone in a car parked just across the street from her house. She yells from a window.
Can I help you? The second time I yelled it, he took off without the lights on and then went flying up the other street.
When Kathleen checks her Ring doorbell camera, her blood runs cold.
They're trying to break in.
It looks like a scene right out of a Purge movie, and the potential intruder definitely seems to have meant Kathleen harm.
Watch how he wipes.
Alright, wasn't scary. None of these were scary still. It wasn't scary. I was just being a big baby for no
Kathleen
reason.
contacted the police, but
Wasn't
the
that scary
mysterious
still?
man in the smiling mask has never been found. It's not all bad. After all the weird and scary things that I've counted down in
This is weird. They're not scary
the
still.
doorbell cameras only record.
I just don't like those ghost images, fam. I'm not doing
worst
those.
of human nature.
I'm not doing those,
I
fam.
wanted
Those
to
give me.
include one last bonus story that might at least slightly restore your faith in humanity. Katie Eagermacris was leaving in a rush one morning from her Washington, D.C. home and forgot to zip her purse. Her wallet fell out somewhere along her way to work. She certainly never expected to see it again. But when she got home, she found this on her doorbell camera.
Well, that's a good Samaritan. That's a good Samaritan, bro.
The man who had found her wallet had checked her ID to find her address, and then had even delivered her wallet right to her door. He tries to put it in her mailbox, but it won't fit, so he hides it safely under the mat. Katie says that all of her credit cards were there, and not even a single dollar was missing.
That's a good Samaritan. Yo, this guy has some lit ass videos, bro. Where's that trick or treat?
Trick or treat.
It's,
On my feet.
it's high, bro. Look at this kid, bro. Holy, yo, you need to championship that song. We're gonna smash that. Let me turn this light, bro. Let me turn this light. I'm gonna get something scarier next time still. I'm gonna get something next time scary. I had to warm up myself, man. I have to warm up myself, bro. Why am I even doing this? Alright, yo, if you need to championship that song, we're gonna smash that notification. Oh, I just get my intro for my outro. You guys already know what it is. Fill up in the comment section. Until next time, man. Deuces. And if you guys have any scary reviews or anything like that and you guys know about, bro, I'm gonna do it, bro. Scary games, anything, man. I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna suck it up, bro. I'll scream on camera.
Right, bitch, that's my fetish. Ayy, I don't speak your language, roll settle. Only speak the language of lettuce.
Alright.
Call me like a rich bitch, limp dick, put it on your daughter and she still call it nut. Patty cake, gotta know you bitch like Johnny K. ATL pull up in roller skates, or lights on like a library.